Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines. The Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine. Both machines are designed for convenience in small living spaces, but they have different features and capacities that may suit different needs. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to capacity, the Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a washing capacity of 8 pounds and a spinning capacity of 5 pounds, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine boasts a significantly larger capacity, with 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning. This makes the 28 lbs model a better choice for those who need to wash larger quantities of laundry at once. In terms of pricing, the Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub is priced at $113, making it an affordable option for budget-conscious consumers. On the other hand, the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine comes at a higher price of $179. While the 28 lbs model offers more features and capacity, the Superdeal remains a cost-effective choice for those with lighter laundry needs. The Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub is designed with basic features, including a simple timer for washing and spinning. However, it lacks advanced functionalities. In contrast, the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine includes a drain pump and multiple wash modes, enhancing its usability and convenience. This makes the 28 lbs model more versatile for different laundry types. In conclusion, both washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub is an excellent choice for those with limited space and budget, while the 28 lbs Portable Washing Machine is ideal for users who require a larger capacity and additional features. Consider your laundry needs and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like